Okay, and let's debug the entire project. Okay, we are clicking play button has a width. Okay, but we're having here a breakpoint. So I'm going to continue. Starting playing the video, which is perfect. Skip hidden has not been found, which is perfect. Clip duration waiting to finish. Great, so we are waiting 3 minutes and 33 seconds. Go to the next one, which is 28 minutes. And okay, check if video has been changed. So the total time is 3 minutes and the current time string is null. So I think we are having a bug from this get total time. No, the current time. Okay, the total time, I'm gonna switch to the properties, and that's in the current total time string. Current total time string, which is somewhere here. Okay, so let's press 11. We're having the total time string and the current total time string. I don't see here in the local, in the watch. I'm gonna go here in the watch and add current total time string. Okay, it's 3 minutes 33 seconds, which is not we are expecting. It seems that this get total time is still returning the old value, except for the 28 minutes which we are expecting. So definitely there is a bug here, another one. So I'm gonna say current time string, and current time total string. I think we should give this one to a rename. So total time string, which is the old track, has a null. I don't know how it was a null because it should not be null. So we're waiting to video to finish. Actually, let's make a check from here. I'm gonna stop. So that should be in the total time string. And I'm gonna actually give a rename current. I'm gonna say to the new total time string. This one should be the new total time, and actually that's the duration. Instead of the time, I should use the duration, but let's keep that. So new total time string with the new total time string. If it's different, this one, the old one, it's setting to the new one. Otherwise, the total time, it's getting the new total time, as you can see here. Okay, so let's debug this. I'm having here a breakpoint. Clip duration, it's 2 hours, waiting to finish. I'm gonna hit the next. It will have 1 hour here. So this is 2 hours, and we are having 1 hour here, which is exactly what we want. I'm gonna disable this, hit continue. And clip duration has been changed to 1 minute, and we are still waiting to this. Then this is 1 minute and 30 seconds. We are having the same duration. This is 1 hour. Clip duration has been changed to 0. So I think we are having a bug to this. So I'm gonna just put a log here and hit another debug. Hopefully this one, it will be the last one. By the way, if you want to, just to put this condition when I'm reproducing the duration 0, because this is another bug, I can use condition breakpoint. And actually, I think I can do that. I'm gonna go edit breakpoint settings, and to the condition, I can say this breakpoint, it will be only when the new duration, because by the way, I'm gonna stop. So we have seen this message. The clip duration has been changed to 00, right? I'm gonna copy just to have the variable. Go here in the edit breakpoint settings, and to the condition, and I'm gonna compare to 0, 0, 0. So in this condition, it will be true. Then this breakpoint, it will be only visible. So debug the current file. Go to the next. Has been changed to 1 perfectly. Now it's 58 seconds. Go to the next one. Okay, and now we are hitting this breakpoint. The total time string is 0. So we have read the new total time is 0. And when we get this total time 0, I think it's between this switching. If this is a switch and the page is loading, then we are getting this 0 because it's still haven't loaded. So what I'll do in this case, if this one is 0, I'm gonna do continue. I'm gonna try to read the other one, the get total time. So that's the trick which I'm gonna use it, because we are getting the get total time, but the page is not loaded. I mean, it's loaded, but here there is an element which is hidden, it's not visible, but the text is 0 because it's clip, it's not loaded. So this is another bug which I would fix. So I'm gonna stop. So I'm gonna put here another if. So I'm gonna put another if this new time, new total time, by the way, even if this wait for ready is complete, the page is loaded because the page is loaded, but because YouTube is loading that clip asynchronously and this element is hidden, we're having its name erase condition. So if the new total time is 0, the clip is not loaded, and actually I'm gonna put here in the display if ensure clip is loaded. Then what I'll do here, I'm gonna set continue. Continue in the while, continue when this one is hit, it's going at the beginning of the while. And what's at the beginning, we are getting the total time. So hit OK. Actually, I can put a log here in order to be seen. So I'm gonna put another log just to see this just this message. I'm gonna put the log before, because otherwise it will not be executed. And this one is definitely a trace. So I'm gonna say clip has not been loaded yet. Trying again to load. And let's give this one another one. I hope it's the last one. Put the UiPath visible. Make also Chrome visible. 1 hour and 30 seconds. I'm gonna hit next. As you can see, there is that 0. So I think you can see that that's the 0. So when the get total time is having that 0, even if this one is very tiny, this amount is very tiny, it's still reproducible. Yes, you can see clip has not been loaded, trying to load. And it says clip duration has been changed to 50 minutes. Great, so I'm gonna stop. By the way, we have fixed another bug for the wait video to finish. I'm gonna go another time to the main and close and give this robot a last time for testing. Right now we are waiting, ensure video is playing. Let's have a look to the log. So play button has a width. We are starting the playing. Skip add button has not been found. Let's go to the next one. 3 minutes has been changed to 3 minutes. I'm gonna go to the next. And let's try to reproduce the replay button case also. So we're having the replay. This one has been retried. Skip button has not been changed. Wait for the video to end. And I think we should be ready to go. Right now we are having the robot quite stable. Great. So as a last step, I'm gonna go and hit another commit, uncheck the settings, and I have fixed here the ensure video is playing. I marked this as being done. I have commented this. So now I can decide to give 2 commits, and actually I encourage you to do that. To the wait video finish, I'm gonna hit another commit which is separate. And the reason I would do that is because if I would deliver this to the QA people, in this case to the client, is that eventually a QA person that it would find this bug, I'm gonna reference this commit message to that bug. So basically I'm having already the bug fixed, but I want to give to the reviewer, to the person who is reviewing my code, that special commit. So I don't want to include another changes. So I'll say here, consider the case when the video is not loaded and wait to log to load, add trace add trace message to monitor. Hit another commit, and let's give another one, which is only these two. Fix selector when the video is playing, the big play button at the beginning. And I'm gonna say uncomment precondition from the robot and hit another commit. Great. Now let's go to the next part.